Hi, welcome to Holidays Lane. I'm Bill Mason, and if this is the first time we're meeting, welcome to my channel. My goal is to create long-lasting, handcrafted ornaments for any season, whether Easter, LGBT Pride, Halloween, and yes, my favorite of all, Christmas. What is the Holidays Lane difference? Well, each ornament is carefully handcrafted. The average 2-inch round ornament has between 150 and 175 hand-placed sequins. It can take up to an hour and a half to complete. In addition to my ready-to-hang ornaments, I've also created these sequin ornament kits. Now each kit comes with detailed instructions, with drawings, and almost everything needed to make one of my designs. The only thing that you'll need are a few drops of glue. Kits are perfect for any skill level, and many people like to order a bunch and host a craft night. It's a lot of fun. So on my channel, you'll see 360-degree views of some of my ornaments, plus the occasional holiday decor tips for ways to showcase your ornaments. Make sure to subscribe to be alerted when new videos go live, and thank you. Have a good day.
Head on over to holidayslane.com. That's holidays with an S, where every day is a holiday.